Hi, and thank you for joining me on Craft Geek TV. Today we're going to dive into some self-care for Barbie.
Okay, so today we're going to fix the voice box of my yoga doll. Or really, I think she is a yoga doll. And so this is the meditating Barbie. This Barbie my niece gave to me, Janaya. She's so sweet, and so she knew I loved Barbie, and so she gave this girl to me, a long time ago. I've had her for about 4 or 5 years now, and so when you push her little button, she only has a little voice, but she says the cutest things. So she has a little screw back here, and I have to snag my little mini screwdriver that I use for my sewing machine. And so I think I got the right batteries for her. So we're just going to screw and screw. This. There we go. Okay, so she has 3 of these batteries in here. I gotta get these out. Okay, so we're back. Now, I went ahead and grabbed her some batteries. So we need 3 of them to go in her box. So it's early Sunday morning, and we are going to do surgery. Don't judge my nails. Okay, so I got the batteries out, and so as you can see, the front side is positive and the back side is negative. So when I was checking her out on where I was going to put these things, hold on. It's my 3D printer going on in the back. If you look inside of her, you'll see that it tells the positive is up top, negative at the bottom. So I'm going to stack these up just like that. Okay, so once you get all of the batteries in there, they'll be lined up just like that, stacked like pancakes. So we're just going to take her little back, and the screw's still in there. So this is her little back, and the screw's still in there. And so just put that in place like that. Get my little trusty dusty screwdriver and tighten that girl back on up. And watch this, y'all. You press her little heart, her little moon.
Take a deep breath in like you are smelling a beautiful flower. Now breathe out.
Aww.
Breathe in.
When Janaya got me this doll for my birthday, oh my God, it was.
Breathe in.
She got this for me for my 40th birthday. And so, yeah. No, she didn't. Am I crazy or what? She got this for my 45th birthday. Yeah, I'm just crazy. So I've had her for about 5 years. Yeah, I started collecting Barbie again about 5 years ago. So yeah, let's get her an outfit made today.
Repeat after me. I
always, I want to thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.